This could be the most popular sunrise hike in Hawaii, where you will see the sun rise over the ocean and the warm glow on the beautiful Kola mountain range. We are here on the northeast of Oahu at the luxury neighborhood of Lanikai for their famous Lanikai Pillbox Hike. There are two World War II bunkers on the hike. It's probably not smart to wear slippers here. Many parts have loose gravel. Do your ankles a favor and wear shoes with a grip. This area right before the second bunker is the flattest part of the trail. We got to the second bunker and it was filled with hikers. I guess all your worries fades away during a beautiful sunrise. The side of the bunker is another way to easily access the top of the bunker safely. After the second bunker, there was less crowds. The trail continues on, but I'll leave that for you to explore. The beach in the distance is Waimanalo Beach, one of the best beaches in the world and one of my personal favorites. The two islands are the Mokuloa Island. The island on the left is Mokulua Nui or Moku Nui, which is open to the public. The island on the right is a bird sanctuary and is not open to the public. You could rent a kayak to paddle there, which takes about 45 minutes to 2 hours. I guess it's a popular hike for dogs as well. If you bring your dog, please bring a poopy bag and water. Sometimes you'll have to tuck yourself in a bush and let others pass through. This is so we get good karma. Here was the beginning of the hike, which was the hardest part in my opinion. It is also where I slipped. Follow and subscribe to see new places to visit in Hawaii.